We are on screen now. No images and what. We are now in the market. This is Chris Mulwa. I am a Forex trader based in Nairobi, Kenya. And I trade Forex. So scalping is a strategy whereby you place short trades. When I mean short, I don't mean sell. I mean trades that will be executed within a period of like 30 minutes, 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So it will depend on the speed of the market, or what is the volatility, or the action of the price of the currency pairs. So first thing, what you should do when you get into the market and you are looking at the scalping, I know that it will be demoralizing to check on daily time frame, but that is what I use. First, when I get into the market, I go directly to daily time frame. So I click on the daily time frame. You can see I want to see the direction of the market. I want to see the direction of the market, whether we are selling or we are buying this market. I am viewing the direction using the daily time frame. So I can delete this object list. I think I can delete them. I can delete the objects. Okay. Okay, according to me, today this currency, there is a strong zone there, according to me, and I'm expecting this currency to correct a little bit, So, and although it may continue, but for today, for scalping, according to me, this is a USD and a CHF, which is Swiss franc. Now I'm expecting this currency to go up, and if I will scalp this market, I will targeting on an up trade, that is a buy trade. So let me go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, yeah, it's going down, yeah, but it's still, as you can see, the way what I was telling you, this low has not beaten the previous low here. So we can see that the downward movement is failing, and note that the USD currently is strong. We have experienced high strength, especially on the USD, on the USD this month. Because of that factor, for me, I'm looking at a buy trade. So this is hourly. Remember, I've come from the daily time frame. Now I'm on the hourly chart. What do we mean when we go to hourly? This one candle you can see here. Let me zoom in. I can zoom in again. What you can see, this candle is formed in an hour. This is the market movement. And USD, yeah, it is strong, even though it has been going down since yesterday. Not really since Monday. Monday is yesterday. Oh, really? No. Yesterday is on Tuesday. So on Monday, it has been going down. As you can see, this is my live trader. This is my live account with the IC markets. This is an Australian broker. So we are expecting this currency to go up. As you can see, my trade line go up. Now we are scalping. Don't forget that we want to scalp this market. We want to place short trades. We pocket some little coins. That is what I hear people saying, that they want to print money. Okay, I have come from the daily time frame. Please note, I'm on hourly chart. Then I will go directly to 15 minutes time frame. Wow, 15 minutes time frame. Here it is, 15 minutes time frame. And I can see that there is an up trade that has been disobeyed here. This is a very dangerous market to scalp. But let me see. I will delete this stuff. I add another trade line. Be patient and wait to see what will happen or what we will do here. As you can see, the market was going up. It was at a nice upward movement that we could scalp, but it broke the trade. Remember, I'm using the live account, the live market. As you can see, the market is still moving. This is this line, the gray line is showing the movement of the market. Our line has been broken, and this is what we could have used to scalp. Now I can wait for this market to break this line and see whether it will continue obeying our trade line. This could be the opening of the London market. Let us check. You are learning a lot on this, please. So be keen and note whatever that I'm saying, especially on this market. I use the crossbar. I want to check. Today is on definitely. I told you this was the opening of the London market. I know. I always know whatever that happens in the market. This was the opening of the London market. That in our time, London market opens at 10 a.m. So the impact of the market after opening, the banks are opening, the transactions are huge. There is a lot of transactions in the market. So that means that the market will trip, and there will be a sharp movement in the market. That is what we are experiencing, especially here. Okay, we are scalping this market. Don't forget, our keeping is to scalp this market. Now I will show you how to scalp this market. I'm on 15. I will move to 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame. Let me reduce it a little bit. No, let me increase. As you can see, our trend line, the market opened at this point. It has been moving. This was the midnight. That's why we have this gap. I will also teach you how to trade market gap on my next video. I think I can note somewhere. I will teach you how to trade market gap. Gap. Let me note somewhere so that I will not forget. Okay. We are moving. We are trading. We want to scalp this market. And okay, let me now show you how to scalp the market. I wanted to place a trade, but what I am seeing on this currency, I cannot place a trade when the currency is still below our trade line. Can't you see the trade line? So I cannot place a trade here. And but let me explain to you, because of the time, how to scalp this market. Then I am on 5 minutes time frame. That is the appropriate time frame you can use to scalp the market. You see where we started. I use this 2 candle rule when scalping the market. That is my scalping strategy and system. And only I use that when the market is obeying my trade line on a small time frame. That is 5 minutes time frame. That is when I scalp. If the market disobeys my trend line, that means that it will eat my stop loss, and I will be out of the market, and I will go to another currency. I get in and trade. Okay. As you can see, we have this market. Now I use 2 candle rules. What do I mean when I say 2 candlestick rule? These are candlesticks. We use candlesticks, 2 candlestick rule. If the market was here when it was opening, it was here, and you were predicting an upward movement, you wait for the first candle, this one, to be formed. Then in the closure, the second candle is formed, and that second candle moves towards your direction, which is a green candle, which is a bullish candle or an upward candle. So after the closure of the market, we get in. So our entry at this point will be here. This will be our entry point. And our stop loss, make sure that when scalping, don't scalp then you swing. People make that huge mistake. You scalp, you swing, and you find yourself swinging. Why? Because you did not place your strict or tight stop loss. Okay, my stop loss will be down somewhere. Let me use the 15 time frame so that I can put my stop loss. What? This is the what I was using. I will delete this object. Okay, and my stop loss will be down. Let me say that this will be my entry. My stop loss will be down somewhere there, like around 10 to 20 pips. Okay, this is strict. It's either you are stopped or you gain. My take profit, this is my stop loss. As you can see, what is wrong? My entry is here. The closure of the second candle there. This is my stop loss. Then my take profit will be determined by stop loss. Let me measure the number of pips. In pips, these are around 4 pips. 4 pips. It's okay. Too close, but it's okay. This is scalping, and we are targeting that. So our take profit, I'm targeting like around 8 pips. So I can take 10 pips. Okay, so it will be somewhere there. So my take profit will be at the highest point, this one, there. And I get in here. Poop. Market will hit my stop loss. I will again wait for that market to come back to my trade line. Okay, now you are asking yourself, how will I know that we are scalping or what? No, I am waiting for the market to come back to my trade line. Okay, I know here traders will tell me that, oh Chris, you have cut some candles. This is not how trade lines is drawn. I know all that, and I know the reason as to why I have cut this candle. This was the opening of the market at the midnight. I think there is always a sharp movement of the market. So I will wait again for the market to reach this point. Then I count it has hit. Yes, I will be very happy to see this. I wait for the first green candle because I'm trading only upward. I'm not trading the downward movement. I'm buying. I place a buy. So the first buy, I placed my first buy at this point. Let me no insert. Okay. What? Okay, here is where I placed my buy. This point. This was my buy. This was my first buy position. At that point, placed my buy there. Okay, so I want to place another buy here where my trade, my market as my trade has hit that is the market has hit my trade line. So I'm placing a trade here. So I check the candle, 2 subsequent candles that move towards one same direction. So 2 green candles. I'm using 2 candlestick rule to trade this as my scalping system now. I'm giving this out for free, and it works. It makes wonders, and I will show you how it will fail. I will place my trade here. 1 green second after the closure. This will be my entry point. Okay, and my take profit, I'll put my my stop loss below here. Okay, if it disobeys my trade line, then I will be stopped. I don't want to stay in that market again, because I want to trade, get money, and go home. I will enter there. Let me check the number of pips that I am risking so that I can know the profit. I am risking like 3 pips. So my profit should be around over 6 pips. This one will be okay, so that I can use, or I use this hand is around 8 pips. It's okay, I'll use this top. Okay, I'll use that. You see, my stop loss will be safe, my take profit will be here, and will be hit. I will pocket that money. Then I wait again for this market to get into our trade, which is here. Then wait for 2 candles to be formed. This one will be this one. Here is where I will make loss, as you see, guys. So I place my trade there, and my stop loss will be here. My stop loss will be there. No. It should be far from this one. So my stop loss will be there. Let me check the number of pips that I have risked. Then I use the ratio 1:2. So I'm risking 4 pips. 4 pips. Risking 4 pips. I want to gain around 8 pips. So my take profit will be some here, yeah. So this one will be my take profit will be, let me use this one. So my take profit will be there. Okay, you see, I will be stopped here 4 pips. So I will have gained here, I have gained this was 10 pips. Then I made this one was around 9 pips, 9 pips. Then I lost 4 pips. That is 19 pips, then minus 4 pips. So that is 19 minus 4. So I have already pocketed 4 pips profit. Despite the loss, the market has striken me here. And this was the opening of the London market, as I had told you, which you should avoid, especially when 9 you cannot find me trading at 10 something until 11:30. That is when I will get back into the market after the impact of the London market, or I wait to see the direction of the impact, then I ride the market towards that direction till the impact is over, until everything stabilizes after the banks have are operating, everything is running, the market is open, transactions are going on. So that is what I do. So as you can see, we have made 18 and 19 pips, then we have lost 4 pips. We are still in profit, and the trend continues. But at the end of the day, you will find that you have made good profit from that. That is scalping for people who do not want to hold the market for long. But for me, I swing. I rarely scalp. So thank you for watching this. As I told you, in the next video I'll show you how to trade market gap. So stay tuned. Don't forget, please, to subscribe, like, share, comment, and ask me anything. I will be glad to help you and direct you and show you how to make money in Forex market.